Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Bynta kasingi ka khatway tarik ukala lingkot Hajar Pyllait Haka Jingrwai lang udukot ka Raja Sabha Derek O'Brien kila Pyllait ya ka Jingrwai jong kaseng kapala ay kerteng ka hui kiu Haka TMC na ka Bynta ka Ilekshon Kaban 1 habakren bekila pathay khubor na kalyang o President ka TMC Meghalaya uba Charles Pingrop ulaong balingba kani ka Jingrwai kaseng kalala banle kemen bat pendan buram ya ka tem kapun Badi kinong ruai nong tem hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Ula benrap da ka baong baka Jingrwai jo ka seng kan sawa biang syekibrio jo ka jela na ka Bynta kisngi gibanwan.
As we approach the upcoming elections in the month of February 2023, today we are going to launch the campaign song of the state for the assembly elections. And Meghalaya TMC has always believed in empowering the people, upholding the traditional culture and celebrating the sacred land. Our campaign song resonates with these cherished ideals and embodies the hope and aspirations of every single resident of Meghalaya. Now, to be very brief, through this song, we would like to celebrate the grandeur of the musical legacy of our state, the brilliance of our musical instruments, and the wondrous talent of the artists of Meghalaya. The campaign song also reverberates the yearnings of the people of Meghalaya for better days to come. Meghalaya TMC is aligned with the betterment of this beautiful state, and this progressive vision is reflected in everything we do. Now we are hopeful that a campaign song will strike a chord in the hearts of each and every one of us in the state of Meghalaya. On behalf of TMC, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you all for your love, warmth and support which you have been giving us during the last year ever since our Meghalaya TMC was formed in the state of Meghalaya. Our journey has just begun. We have miles to go and a lot of bridges to cross. However, we will strive for a glorious future of Meghalaya